Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. We're back in Walgreens and we're going to be pairing up some Walgreens deals with some Fetch Rewards promotions. So the first promotion that we're going to be taking advantage of is the Spin 9 on Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, and you get 1,300 points. And the Arm & Hammer is also on sale this week in Walgreens as one of the deals of the week. Now the sweet of the week is on M&M's candy, buy two, get one free. But there's also a promotion going on in Fetch. There's a spin 7, earn 700 points on M&M chocolate candies. And there's also a spin 8 on M&M Dove, Skittle, or Starburst candy, and you can earn 1,000 points. So I'm going to grab 3 of these and head to the register to check out. And when I get in the car, I will scan my receipt to get our rewards in Fetch. So let's go ahead and do the transaction, and then I will show you the haul in the car. Okay, so we are back. I'm going to do another car haul, and then I will also put a clip at the end of this video for those of you who like to see the Zepbound updates. I'll put a clip for the Zepbound unboxing because I just picked up another box of Zepbound. So let's take a look at our haul for today. Okay, so this is our haul for today. I picked up 3 of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. They were on promotion, buy one, get 2 free. And then I picked up these sweets of the week. Since Easter's coming, Easter is March 31st. So this is the M&M Pastel Blend. And then this is the M&M Light and Dark Chocolate Easter Sundae. I've never seen that before. And then this is the milk chocolate, and these are just like the plain M&Ms, but they're in the Easter pastel colors. So those are some fun treats if you're going to do Easter baskets, or if you like to do, I'll insert some pictures in here that I saw Walgreens have in their apps, but they had some ideas like the Easter with fruit, Easter candies with fruit, or the popcorn and M&Ms, and that's a favorite for like a movie night. So this is our haul, and again, I decided to go with these items because they're part of a promotion that's going on in Fetch. So M&M deal going on, and there's an Arm & Hammer laundry detergent deal going on in Fetch. Now let's take a look at the numbers. So I'm grabbing my receipt here. So the Arm & Hammer, again, this week it's buy one, get 2 free. So that's one of the deals of the week. And I got the first one, it rang up for $7.49, and the other 2 rang up for $0.00. And there are several different M&M promotions going on. There are a lot of different M&M coupons in the Walgreens app, but this one just caught my eye because they were Easter themed, and I felt like that would be fun for my family this month. So they are buy 2, get 1 free for the sweet of the week. And again, I got the M&M peanut, the milk chocolate, and the Easter sundae. So this is our haul, and then I'll plug in the Fetch at the end so you can see that bonus, and then I'll pivot for those of you who like the Zepbound update. Okay, so I just wanted to add some footage in. This is another Zepbound haul and unboxing. So this is my 3rd month. We're now in the month of March. I started this on January 1st. This month I decided to stay with the 5 milligram. So I could have gone up to the 7.5, but right now I think I'm going to stay with the 5. I don't want to go lose more than 10 pounds a month, and I'm a little bit ahead of that. So that was my plan originally. So since I'm having so much success with the 5 milligram, I'm just going to stay there. So I actually picked this up on Friday, but for those of you who've never seen the pens, each box has 4 pens. They come in the lock position, and I always like to check the expiration date. These pens don't expire until October of 2025. So that's it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing for this month. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will, of course, talk to you in my next video. Bye for now, everyone.